Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something massive to talk about, the iPhone SE 4, 2025. Apple's budget-friendly powerhouse is finally getting a much-needed upgrade, and from what we've seen so far, it might just shake up the smartphone market. Is this the iPhone SE we've all been waiting for? What's new? What features will make it stand out in 2025? And most importantly, is this going to be the best budget iPhone yet? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about the iPhone SE 4, 2025, official first look. The evolution of the iPhone SE series. Before diving into the latest leaks and features, let's take a quick look at how far the iPhone SE lineup has come. Apple first introduced the iPhone SE in 2016 as a compact, affordable alternative to its flagship iPhones. It was a smash hit, offering the power of the iPhone 6s in the body of an iPhone 5s. Then, in 2020, Apple launched the iPhone SE 2, which featured the A13 Bionic chip in the iPhone 8's chassis. In 2022, we saw the iPhone SE 3, which kept the same outdated design but added 5G connectivity and the A15 Bionic chip. Now, in 2025, Apple is finally giving the iPhone SE for a major redesign, and it might just be the most exciting SE model yet. iPhone SE 4, Design and Display Overhaul. One of the biggest complaints about previous iPhone SE models was their outdated design. Well, Apple has listened. The iPhone SE 4, 2025, is getting a complete makeover, bringing it closer to the modern iPhone lineup. Bigger, better display. Leaks suggest that the iPhone SE 4 will feature a 6.1-inch OLED display, finally ditching the chunky bezels and home button. This is a huge jump from the 4.7-inch LCD panel on the iPhone SE 3. Flat-edge design like the iPhone 14. The iPhone SE 4 will adopt the flat-edge aluminum frame, similar to the iPhone 14 and iPhone 13. This makes it more premium than ever and gives it a modern, sleek look. USB-C is finally here. Apple is officially switching the iPhone SE 4 to USB-C, aligning with the European regulations. This means faster charging, better data transfer speeds, and compatibility with a wider range of accessories. Performance. A17 or A16 Bionic. Performance has always been a key selling point of the iPhone SE series, and the SE 4 is no exception. Apple is expected to pack it with either the A17 Bionic chip or the A16 Bionic from the iPhone 14 Pro. What does this mean for users? Incredible speed, apps will launch faster, and multitasking will be smoother. Better power efficiency, improved battery life thanks to 3nm architecture. Great for gaming, console-level graphics on a budget iPhone. Camera upgrades. Night mode finally comes to SE. One of the biggest criticisms of previous iPhone SE models was the outdated camera system. This time, Apple is making some serious improvements. 12MP advanced main camera. The iPhone SE 4 will feature a 12MP camera with improved sensors for better low-light photography. Night mode is finally coming to the SE lineup, allowing users to capture detailed shots in darker conditions. Smart HDR5 and Deep Fusion will enhance image quality. Upgraded selfie camera. The front camera will reportedly be upgraded to 12MP with center stage support for improved FaceTime calls. 1080p video recording with cinematic mode. Battery and charging improvements. Bigger battery, longer life. Apple is expected to increase the battery capacity, bringing it closer to the iPhone 14 levels. Combined with a more efficient A16 or A17 chip, this means all-day battery life. Faster charging and MagSafe support. USB-C fast charging, 50% charge in 30 minutes. Wireless charging. MagSafe accessories support, first time in an SE model. Face ID and security upgrades. One of the most exciting changes is the removal of Touch ID. The iPhone SE 4 will feature Face ID, bringing it in line with modern iPhones. Why is this a big deal? More secure and faster unlocking. No more home button, allowing for a bigger display. Works with Apple Pay, App Store purchases, and banking apps. Software and iOS 18 support. The iPhone SE 4 will launch with iOS 18, offering new AI-powered features and optimizations. What's new in iOS 18? AI-enhanced Siri, smarter, faster responses. Interactive widgets, more customization options. RCS messaging, improved texting with Android users. Smarter live voicemail and call screening. Price and release date. How much will it cost? Rumors suggest Apple will price the iPhone SE4 between $499 and $549, making it slightly more expensive than its predecessor, but still a great value. When will it be released? The iPhone SE4 is expected to launch in March or April 2025, following Apple's previous SE release timeline. The iPhone SE4 2025 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the budget smartphone market. With a modern design, Face ID, a larger OLED display, MagSafe, and a powerful chip, it's finally competing with mainstream iPhones. Will you be upgrading to the iPhone SE4? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates.